Welcome once again to your online EVS class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Here we are discussing lesson number 4, textbook exercises. We have completed first two exercises. Do you remember? Yes. Our first exercise was write true or false. Then the second one was yes, define the following terms. Hope all of you study this much very well. Today we will discuss the rest all exercises. Okay, before starting today's session, let us recollect the things which we have discussed in our previous classes as usual. Our fourth chapter is saving the environment. We have discussed so many things in this chapter. First, the word environment. What is environment? Yes, the surroundings in which we live. What all things are present in our surroundings? Yes, both living and non-living things. In this, some are human-made things and some are natural things. And next we discussed about pollution. Three types of pollutions are there. They are land pollution, water pollution and air pollution. We discussed the causes and effect of these all pollutions. Now you all know how to prevent the pollutions also, isn't it? Then we'll start today's session. Let's do the textbook exercises. Okay.
Our next exercise is choose the correct options. First question, one of these is a living thing. Here you have some options. Soil, air, tree and minerals. Which is the correct answer? Yes, tree. Second question, one of these is not a natural feature. Your options? Landforms, forests, animals, bridges. Which is the correct answer? Yes, bridges. Your third question, using too much coal and petrol causes? Your options? Land pollution, water pollution, air pollution and deforestation. Yes, air pollution. Next, fourth question, this act protects the environment. Options? Throwing plastic bags in rivers, recycling plastic, using plastic bags and dumping sewage in rivers. Yes, recycling plastic. Very good. Next we have a thinking level question. How would saving paper help in saving the environment? The answer is trees are cut to make papers. If we save paper, we can help reduce the cutting down of trees and save the environment. We have discussed this matter before. Do you remember? Yes. Next is an activity. Bees and butterflies are an important part of our environment. When they move from flowers to flower looking for nectar. Nectar means the sweet juice which is present inside the flower. When they do so, they help distribute pollen among plants. Pollen is a substance that helps fruits to form. We need to eat fruits to stay healthy. Thus, even small creatures play an important part in our lives. Request your parents or elders at home to help you grow flowering plants on your terrace or balcony. Draw the pictures of the plant you would like to grow in the space given. You have to draw picture of a plant, your favorite plant in that space.
So children, we have completed lesson 4. Before starting another topic, another lesson, we have to revise the previous lessons. Okay. For that, you have to study lesson number 2 for the next class. We will revise that lesson in our next class. Okay. Let's conclude today's session. Hope all of you can follow my class. Just read the lesson and study the notes. Children, goodbye and take care.